Old Alabama Gardener. This is my second video in a series of how to grow garlic. Now folks, you remember back in December and I showed you how I plant garlic, and I uploaded a video on that which you can watch. Well, now it's the middle of March and it's time to give my garlic its first side dressing with fertilizer. Now think about this. I've said this before. What I want the garlic plant to do is grow as many leaves, or we might call them blades, as I can get it to before it starts to produce the cloves or the bulbing. So if you're in growing zone 7, as I am, and you planted some garlic back in the autumn, whether it would be late November or December, it's time to side dress it. Now, this video is going to show you how I do that. But the next time, and there will be more side dressings, the next time I side dress this garlic, I'm going to use a different kind of fertilizer. So you want to be sure to be subscribed so that, and clicked on the little bell icon so that you'll get notifications when I upload the next video. So when I do this next side dressing, I'll also make another video on it and upload it. And at the end of this video, I will put the in-screen thumbnail of the video where I did the planting garlic. So all you got to do when you get to the end of this video, if you want to watch the planting garlic video, click on that in-screen thumbnail. It'll take you right to it. Now I thought you might like to see a timeline on growing garlic, and not only of the days that I planted it, but the number of days in between things that I do. Now I got a garlic plant right here, and I'm going to try to dig down carefully, of course, and show you how shallow or deep, however you want to say it, the garlic bulbs are forming are, and then that's going to give you a clue of something that I'm going to do next. Alright, so you can see that there's the garlic clove, and that's what's going to form the new bulbs. And it's probably, it's just one knuckle. It's probably maybe inch, and maybe the roots are about 1.5 inches deep. Okay, so keep that in mind now. So we're going to put, that case I'm going to put a little bit of fertilizer, but not much. This is triple 13. We're going to cover that back up. Now you can't grow good garlic without a good root system, so that's what we're going to work on developing first. And then I'm going to show you why I took you through that little step. Now you don't want to put the fertilizer too deep or too shallow, and you also don't want to dig out around each and every plant. So use the pencil as I'm showing here. So now instead of digging this one out, I'm going to use my pencil. Just regular old pencil. And I'm going to come out about 1 inch out this way. And since we're not very deep, I'm going to put my thumb on it, and that's as deep as I'm going to go right there. It's like that. Bother it around a little bit, open it up some, and fill that hole with some fertilizer. Triple 13 is not a brand name. It comes in many brands, and you can buy it at most farm stores. And we got a little plant right there, so we need to give it some fertilizer. Come out about 1 inch from the So here's my half a teaspoon measuring spoon, and there's the half a teaspoon of fertilizer going in the hole, and you see that the hole is full. No matter what you do, whether it's planting seeds, transplanting plants, or side dressing fertilizer I'm doing here, always water it well, and then you can watch it grow.